Hi, I'm Kajol. Welcome to Kajol Cosmetics. Today, I'm going to make this lip scrub and I'm excited to share our second collaboration with lacucinachimica. He is going to make this lipstick and check out his YouTube channel. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a chemical enthusiast, check out his channel. Link in the description. Now let's get into the formulation. I have pre-measured my beeswax. All the measurements will be given in the caption. Check out below. Now I have added my sweet almond oil. You can add any kinds of oil and mango butter here. Using double boiler setup, I am going to melt this and you can see the butter and beeswax completely melted down here. We are going to keep it in the freezer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the butter and wax got solidified, and now it's perfect consistency. We can add our walnut shell powder as an exfoliant. You can add any kinds of exfoliant. I wanted to add walnut shell powder here and add a little bit at a time. Mix it well and add a little bit and mix it well. You can see the process here. Now I can mix with my hand, so it will be very easy to mix it. Wear a gloves while mixing. Now we can add our fragrance oil. I am using vanilla fragrance oil and adding a few drops here. I am added a 4 to 5 drops here. It spreads out so easily. And these are some pictures of my sister and my mom they have used. Now let's check out the lipstick formulation.
Hello everyone, and thanks to Kajol to give me the chance to stay with you guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an easy formula of lipstick. This is very easy formula because you can use 3 ingredients: pigment, beeswax and shea butter. You can see the formula on the screen, and let's start to do this. We can measure all the ingredients in the final beaker. In this beaker we have shea butter and beeswax. So let's put this on the water bath. Set your butter bath around 65 to 68 Celsius degrees. Then you can put your beaker here. In the meanwhile, we can wait our pigment, so we use red 7. As you can see, this oil phase starts to melt, so we need more 5 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes more. It is important to stir very often, so you can melt beeswax quickly. Okay, our oil phase is completely melted, so now you can pour the pigment here. Be very kind and gently, because the pigment can make a mess. And again, stir very gently to incorporate the pigment in the oil phase. It's normal at the beginning that make some clumps, but don't worry, they can go away very easily. Just stir and don't worry. Okay. In the meanwhile, I want to show you this. This is a lipstick mold. It's made by metal. You can buy online easily for 20 quid or a little bit more. Let's combine all the pieces together to make our mold ready for lipstick pouring. And you can pour in this 2 hole our lipstick. Okay, our mass is ready, so let's take out this beaker and pour this liquid. It's time to pour, so when you pour, you need to overfilling the mold. Okay, perfect. You need to overfilling because when the temperature goes down, this mass contract its volume, so it's important to overfilling, okay? Okay, perfect. So now we are gonna wait 2 hours, then we come back later. Okay, now let's see the result. So we need a scraper. I use a spatula to scrape off this excess. You can see it's very soft, very gentle lipstick. Wow, cool. Oh, the color is so interesting, you see? Okay. After that, we try to remove this piece here. Just gently push down the lipstick. Okay. Perfect. And now it's time to see our lipstick. Voila. This is our lipstick. And now let's try on the arm. It's very beautiful color. Okay, I want to say thank you to Kajol to have my channel as a guest into your channel. So now let's see the Kajol formulation. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye bye.